everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today I'm going to be telling you guys on how to uninstall Discord. So you use Discord but you don't want to use it anymore. You kind of want to uninstall it and move on with your life. So what do? You don't know where the uninstaller for Discord is located, and you really want to uninstall Discord. And if you close it, you just end up going back to Discord. Well, don't worry, I'm here to help you. So as you can see, if I go to settings, there's no really anything regarding uninstalling. There's only logout. So if you really want to uninstall Discord, you want to go to your settings. Once you're in settings, you want to go to apps. From here, you want to press on apps and features. From here, you want to type in Discord. And there's my Discord. From here, you just want to uninstall, which I don't want to do because I do use Discord. But this is not just for Discord. For anything you want and you don't know where the uninstaller is, even if it's Edge, you can't really uninstall Edge, but it doesn't really matter what it is. Anything you want to uninstall, just come here and basically find the program you want to uninstall. Since I don't use Zoom, right? Uninstall. Done. And it automatically locates the uninstaller and just uninstalls it from your PC. It's as simple as that. So I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, please drop a like. And if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.